Have you ever pondered on how to activate Windows Storage Sense and what it truly accomplishes? Well, unravel this mystery. We shall, in today's enlightening journey into the world of Windows features. Firstly, Windows Storage Sense is a nifty tool that helps keep your device clutter-free by automatically freeing up space. It does this by deleting temporary files and items from your recycle bin that have been left untouched for over 30 days. So, how does one turn on this virtual housekeeper? The process is quite straightforward. Begin by clicking on the Windows icon located at the bottom left of your screen, and then proceed to select the Settings option. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll find a series of options. Look for the System category and give it a click. Within System, you'll find an array of subcategories. Seek out Storage and select it. Now you're one step closer to activating Storage Sense. Within the Storage subcategory, you'll notice a switch labeled Storage Sense. Flip that switch to On, and voila, Storage Sense is now activated. But the customization doesn't stop there. If you click on Configure Storage Sense or Run it now, you can personalize when Storage Sense should clean your files, whether it's daily, weekly, monthly, or when your storage space becomes scarce. So to sum up, activating Windows Storage Sense involves 4 simple steps. First, go to Settings through the Windows icon. Second, select the System category. Third, choose Storage, and finally, switch on Storage Sense. The benefits of using Windows Storage Sense are manifold. Not only does it help you keep your device tidy by automatically clearing old and unnecessary files, but it also allows you to customize when and how often this cleaning occurs. This feature, when used wisely, can significantly improve your device's performance, making it faster and more efficient. Remember, a clean device is a happy device, so why not give Windows Storage Sense a go? It's like having a personal janitor for your computer, and who wouldn't want that?